Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ende Chimsum. And guys, today I will be showing us how I made this banana bread. And yes, I am not a professional, okay? I just made this for the family and I hope you enjoy watching the video. So here I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 overripe banana, some sugar, I didn't take the measurement, and full cream milk, melted butter is a salted butter, okay, so I won't be putting salt in the flour. I have my vanilla extract, baking powder and baking soda, okay. So I forgot to mention I have 2 medium-sized eggs. So I already put in the baking powder, just a spoon, and also a spoon of baking soda. I'm sieving that into the flour, okay? So I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together. So after that, to set this aside and then get the bowl of mashed banana, okay? Add the full cream milk or any milk of your choice, and then every other liquid can go in at this point. Once you're done with that, then you can now mix everything together, okay? Mix, but do not over mix. If you find it's too dry, you can add extra oil or melted butter, okay? So once you're done mixing, get your baking pan and grease it with oil or butter, okay? And make sure the oven has been preheated, okay? So I baked mine for just 45 minutes. I baked some parts, the upper part of the oven, for 20 minutes and then the lower part for 25 minutes, which it made it 45 minutes altogether, okay? And after 45 minutes, our banana bread is ready! Yay! And the whole house was smelling like a bakery, okay? Anyway, I had to dip in this toothpick into the banana bread to make sure it's done. If it comes out clean, that means it's well done, okay? And guys, this tasted so yummy, and I hope you'll be trying this recipe, okay? And do not forget to like this video, share to your friends or family members if you enjoyed watching, okay? And do not forget to comment. Bye, and see you in my next one.